His Majesty King Mongkut sets a good model of learning. Not only did he rule the country, but he also possessed the natural talents of learning, religious studies, and international affairs. Particularly in science and technology, the world-renowned incident was noted when King Mongkut accurately predicted the occurrence of the total solar eclipse in Prajop Khiri 2 years prior to the event. Today, the learning seeds that His Majesty King Mongkut planted have become an acclaimed education institution. King Mongkut's University of Technology Thonburi is a bloom that has its strong root to help create educational advancement. And a million branches of that tree have extended their shade for the stable future of the country. King Mongkut's University of Technology Thonburi, or KMUTT, was originally named Thonburi College of Technology. It was established in the 1960s by the Ministry of Education. Until the 1970s, the college's status was promoted to King Mongkut's Institute of Technology, Thonburi campus. And in 1986, the name changed to King Mongkut's Institute of Technology, Thonburi. In 1998, King Mongkut's Institute of Technology Thonburi was the first among public universities in Thailand to receive full autonomy under the name King Mongkut's University of Technology Thonburi. At present, KMUTT is in operation in 4 campuses. The Kmutt campus is the headquarters for administrative functions and the center for teaching and learning. The Mongkut campus can be called the first and pioneering industrial park in Thailand to be run and managed by a university. Apart from the learning facilities, there are laboratories and research spaces devoted for different fields of studies, such as the research building, the model plant, research development and pilot plant, bioprocessing research and innovation building, and CES Solar Cells Testing Center. The Ratchaburi campus is the first residential college in Thailand, located in a provincial area west of Bangkok. It had its first enrollment in engineering in the year 2013. Our city campus is in the commercial district of Bangkok, known by the name the Knowledge Exchange Building, or the KX. It is scheduled to be completed by the end of 2014. In the past 50 years, KMUTT has seen over 60,000 graduates produced by 8 faculties, the Graduate College and 3 other colleges, and an institute that offers a specific program of study. Altogether, we have 148 departments with 47 programs of study. Of all KMUTT academia, there are 16 full professors, 144 associate professors, and 182 assistant professors. Innovative learning. Situated within the university, Darun Sikhalai School is a primary school which applies constructionism theory developed by Professor Seymour Papert of Media Lab MIT to its teaching and learning process, focusing on learners as the learning center. Integration of academic technology, art, culture, and Thainess ensures that the students develop bodies of knowledge as well as skills of lifelong learning. The management of the school is in line with the learning organization developed by Peter Sankey of Sloan School of Management, MIT. These 2 renowned theories are adapted to the Thai social landscape with a concentration on the Buddhist concept of mind development. KMUTT is aware of the importance of nourishing science and technology potentials of talented young youths built through many special projects by the university. The Junior Science Talented Project, or the JSTP, is the project to search for secondary school students talented in science and technology. This is to provide and develop learning experiences to students via different approaches of learning. They are mentored and guided by lecturers and specialists in various areas and to work on science projects and study excursions. The university also helps setting up a science classroom at the schools supervised by KMUTT and 4 general other high schools and vocational schools. These projects introduce students to integrate learning and practice through, for example, story-based learning and project-based learning. In addition, Kmutt takes part in assisting academic and research cooperation to special science classrooms in the schools under the Office of the Basic Education Commission in the Lower Central Region. The To Be Kmutt project is aimed at training high school students to conduct research during their school holidays. They will have experience of how to do things in a lab, guided by the university lecturers. It is meant for the students to have a clear understanding of major fields of study they wish to pursue at undergraduate level. For undergraduate study, Kmutt has the unique individual-based program, or IBP, catered to talented and motivated students. They can design their own courses that match their interests and potentials. With qualified lecturers, specialized personnel, and well-equipped facilities, Kmutt develops students with high quality to be in the workforce in science and technology. Kmutt graduates have become key mechanisms and tools of the economic and social change in Thailand, both for the present and the years to come. The research on science and technology produced at Kmutt has truly been beneficial to the community. The Royal Project and the projects under Royal patronage have been operated under the Plan 3 E's for A: Energy, Engineering, and Environment for Agriculture. This is to support the Royal Project Foundation in 38 centers over 5 provinces of the North region. Some alternative energy technologies have been invented here. They are such as solar power electricity generation system, water energy, solar drying system, and biomass gasification stove. The environmental control greenhouse was also designed and developed here. Temperature, humidity, and solar are controlled for appropriate conditions to grow plants and feed animals. The project for adolescents in the rural area under the royal patronage of Her Royal Highness Princess Maha Chakri Sirinthorn. This project is aimed at strengthening communities by self-sustainability with regards to food, energy, and health, as its name, 3F's 1P, food, feed, fuel, and pharmacy suggests. It develops the quality of human resources through scientific learning, aiming to revive, conserve, and manage natural resources from biodiversity of watershed forests sustainably. Kmutt and community. Environmental aspects. Kmutt piloted the ethanol bus project using ethanol as the source of energy. The ethanol bus ED95 is the pioneering ethanol bus in Thailand and Southeast Asia under the slogan Energy Stability and Environmental Friendliness. Kmutt is one of the 9 Thailand research universities chosen by the Office of Higher Education Commission. Each year, Kmutt is accredited by various global rankings such as the Saimarco Institutions and the UI Green Metric. Kmutt is the only Thai university to be on the top 400 of the Times Higher Education World University Rankings for 2 years running, the year 2012 through to the year 2014. Kmutt has strong collaboration with more than 130 leading universities and foreign organizations all over the world. It also has exchange student programs, exchange researcher programs, and co-curricular activities. It is Kmutt's responsibilities to excel in producing graduates with professional skills who uphold integrity, pioneer novelties, and make collective impact relevant to the needs of the wider society and that of the country. This is a driving force for us to deliver a new level of academic and research development for years to come.